Hi everyone, my name is Niraj, son of Nagaraju from 3SSR. So today I would like to present PSM1 presentation. So the title I'm going to present is Smart Barber Application. So firstly, today I would like to explain about the problem background of Smart Barber application. So my first point on problem background is don't have centralized application between for barber and customer. There are a lot of application regarding for barber which only focus on their own shop, not for the centralized barber shop. If let's say for example a particular barber shop, there will be service provide and details about the one shop only. If a user want to look other shops, currently don't have any other central application at the moment. So 10 out of 2 shops only use application for the barber service. For for example, Traveloka, which means the same app under centralized app, which is provide a hotel for the customer, which they can choose the according to the preference when they have shift to a new place. So I would like to bring the same concept in the smart barber application, which they can customer can choose barber shop according to the service and ratings. So for my second point is customer hard to find barber shop according to the service provided. So when a customer move to another place or district, they hard to find a barber shop. So they don't know which shop has provide a good service according to his haircut service. So this may suffer from customer to find a barber shop when they are moving to a different street or area from their hometown. For my third background is customer not satisfied barber shop service and quality. Let's say manually the user walk into the barber shop, they might don't know about service offer by the shop. If a customer want to haircut but they don't know about the price or the service, they might be end up with that disappointment. So this would be bring a bad impression on the barbershop from the customer. So next, I would like to explain about the objective of smart barber application. For the first objective, which is to study about dissatisfaction of customer and barber in manual service. From the manual service, we can know that current existing system how the barber shop working. So by having a barber shop which works in manually, makes customer keep waiting, and certain customer might want to wait for their turn. It's like too long time to cut to get the service. So this might make them annoyed with the barber shop. So from my study, it show that manual barber shop it really took time to provide service, and then it's really make them uh, too long to get the service. So for my second objective, which is to develop and make sure to choose barber shop and filter according to location, price, rating, and quality of service. So compared to other barber shop, they just provide filter option by giving one option. In this smart barber application, I would like to develop and to make sure customer can easily choose the right barber shop for them by filtering according to the location for such like area, district, state, and moreover, I will so these can choose the barber shop by checking out the price range of each type of the service provided in the smart barber application. So by giving the filter option in price, rating, location, it make them comfortable, and they will know which barber shop is really according to their service and really good for them. For the third objective is to make appointment of making booking on the availability of service and can view the service offered in barbershop. So in some barbershop, they could not explain the service clearly to the customer. So customer also want able to describe the haircut service to the barbershop. So this barber application have to make appointment or booking on the availability of service. So customer could even check on their service offered. So this help to customer and also the barber shop to arrange appointment according to the time. For the next, I would like to explain about the scope of the smart barber application. The main scope of this project, which is this application will focus the development on customer who want to get haircut service from the nearest barber shop and the best service. So nowadays, in every housing area, there will be at least 3 to 5 barber shops available for service. So due to the amount of barber shop available, customer often get confused on pick which barber shop to get. So by having this application, so customer can easily view the rating and then the service provided by the shop. So it would be easy for them to make choice to get haircut service. For the second scope of this project is the smart barber application will be used for barber shop and used to facilitate appointment handling, which means nowadays everyone has old schedule or very busy with their working time. So they don't have time to wait to get haircut services. So to make this process fast, I create this application for customer booking appointment according to their free time. So it would be efficiency for customer by they having or going to the manual barber shop. So it will be really efficiency for the customer and can avoid the uh, time management by waiting to get a haircut service. For the third point, as smart barber application can ease this application for barbers and decision making for users by view the ratings and quality of service provided. So which means nowadays every customer and uh, they have a confused to get what type of haircut service according to the latest style. So this smart barber application is developed based on the needs of the customer, picking the right barber shop nearby with a good service to has been stated as the problem by the customer. So this barber application developed to make sure customer can easily choose the right barber shop for them filtering according to the occasion, price and the ratings. So next, I would like to explain about the aim of this project. So the aim of this project is to develop a smart barber application. It's a free hair barber appointment app and it allows to explore near barber shop with availability of service. So from this project, the customer can make haircut appointment through the application and can explore variety of barbershop near them by review the quality of service. So it will be really benefit for customer or user to guide for their decision making process when review the service offered in the barber shop. So, for example, when a customer in their housing area, they can easily find many barber shop, but they don't know which barber shop is giving a good service or haircut styles to new trend and then the price. So by having this smart barber application, a user can compare the service haircut service compared to another shop. For the following, I would like to explain about the contribution of this project. For the first contribution, which is to create a centralized application for customers to make booking. So, as my contribution, we can create a centralized barber application where it can focus on all the shop appli- barber shop to getting in this application around the particular area district or having a centralized barber application for nowadays, but they has only provide barber shop in manually or barber shop in website. So there's don't have any other application for the for barber shop to get a booking appointment. For my second point, it, it is customer can view the barber shop profile by review, rating, comment, achieve or work. So normally a barber shop which is defined by the rating of the customer. When a customer rating the a barber shop with high rate or giving the good review, it will be really good for the other customer which they can easily trustable to the barber shop. And last contribution of this project, which is barber shop, is easy to manage customer on time. If let's say now the barber shop very hard to find allocate time for each and every customer. They might don't know what time we'll get to finish a haircut service to a particular customer by having this kind of the issue. So from this application, barber shop owner can easily manage the time by allocate for each and every customer. Furthermore, I would like to explain about the methodology I have chosen in this project. So the methodology I've chosen in this project, which is agile development. So why did I choose this methodology? Because this methodology is the product of the development approach in which the complete a process is segregated into a number of different development cycles. So there is a different cycles which starts with plans, designs, development, test, deploy, and review. So this method in methodology is a practice that promotes continuous iteration of development and testing throughout the software development in life cycle of this project. So I have made the requirements of this application is collect before the project starts, and I have made some Google survey questions to prove that how this smart power application is important to the customers and barbershops. Customers. For the second part, which is a design, it's the importance of the design, which is many tools available in the smart web applications. So I would elaborate each of the how the steps are going to design in this project by showing in UML tools, use case diagrams, and activity diagrams, and moreover. So by reviewing this diagram, it would be easy to understand the design of the smart web application. And third method, which is a development. So in this part we have to started to begin with the coding, and then backend, which is, and we're using the Android Studio to create the and run the coding in the application. The following step, which is the test. So test and integration in this part. So we have previously we have the check and debug if any errors is spotted on the compilation process when debug or making this project. For the deployment part, I have explained about the how the application will be uploaded to servers and the database stored in the database. And in last part of this methodology, which is a review. So once the smart burger application is ready, they will be give this application to the users to make them use and give the feedback from this application. So if there's any error or any add features, they will be stated, and then it will be conducted as a problem, and we will try to coming with a new solutions. So this is a review part. So the methodology, which is agile, is mostly important to develop a project. So next, I'm going to explain about the design of the smart web application. A design is a is most important thing to understand or to get the visualize view of the project, how it be work and how going to be used. So the system architecture of SPA is represent the concept that will found and then the actual system are developed. So how this Baba system application work? So in overall system architecture, which is a by base 3, the the first thing is presentation tier, which is a user interface on mobile device. It will be contact direct will be contact to the admin, which is a web application tier. So from the when a user login into the enter the account, it will be viewed and verified by the admin, and then once the admin is approved the new uh, sign up of the or new user of the customers, it then it will be database automatically go to went to the database tier. So it's all it is all maintained by the server to get the easy and run this application. Other than that, um interface design is one of the most important thing that is represent the layout of the elements and then application or website. So this interface is really should be attractive and potential to the users when they know the how going to be these systems worked and it will be interface or interact with the customers. So by we create the interface, it will be the make the application interact and navigate easily to the customers, barbershop, and the admin to maintain this system. So I have shown you in the my slide the sign up page and then the user register page and then the option like filter by the and then the service provide, and we can and each of the service there will be we give a clear description before the user book. So as a conclusion, uh, so I have come up with the new features and idea for this application to make customers barbershops in a convenient way to get a haircut service. So I hope that day to day the smart barber application provides a efficient service and make convenient to the users. And I hope that this smart barber application having a user friendly app, it will be make the user happy and it will make their life easier from daily busy lifestyle. That's all from me. Thank you so much.